Hi guys, welcome. And as you can see, I just bought a OnePlus TV. It's OnePlus Q1, and it's without the Pro. Basically, without the sound bar, the external popping little show off kind of sound bar. So which I didn't bought, which price is around 1 lakh. So I went for this variant which is priced at rupees 70,000. So I'll just show you how basically what the design is. If you look at the bezels are almost not there, okay, and the thickness, if you can see, it's also pretty thin. So let's boot up and see how it's different from other smart TVs. Actually, I was also thinking to go for Samsung Frame 55, but and you can see here there's the logo of OnePlus. If you can see over here, a little tiny OnePlus logo. So it looks like any ordinary OnePlus TV, but I mean they just came up with two variants for the first time, and they are calling it the flagship television. Meanwhile, I'll turn on the TV, so you get this OnePlus Bluetooth remote, which is inspired or is a rip-off of Apple TV. So here it's written designed by OnePlus. And oh, by the way, this video is shot on OnePlus 6, so you can also figure out the quality of this video, and if you don't like it, blame it on OnePlus. But I like this phone even now. It's going to be almost 2 years, but still it's a great device. And coming up to this, okay, so here is the OnePlus logo, which if we press the TV, as you can see, the white LED has gone, and what you can see is OnePlus logo on the screen. So it takes around 40-45 seconds to boot up, and as you can see, it's running Android TV. So see, Google logo will pop up, and it just takes time, like your Android device on your mobile phone, smartphone. So you have to be a little patient. It's not just gonna start. And as you can see, the colors look nice, it's neat, and what you get is your regular interface of Android TV, but you get that additional OnePlus Oxygen Play. Okay, so I'm actually like it's a good device. Maybe they could have charged price it a little lower, 10 to 15,000, and it would have been a great deal, but still it's a decent device. If you need to set it up in the first time, which is a simple setup, and in settings you get your basic Wi-Fi, sound, picture, and you can also connect accounts, your Google account for Play Store apps and OnePlus account to use the Oxygen Play. So what I like is that Oxygen Play is not the original idea, but if you go to Oxygen Play, you get different Indian content, basically majorly from Hungama Play and Eros Now. So if you are not having Hungama Play subscription, you don't need to worry. They are giving a free subscription with the OnePlus TV, where you can access the content from OnePlus, basically from Hungama Play and a major Hollywood content is available on that. Besides that, if you have Geo account, you can use it. It's not part of the subscription, but Hangama Play you can easily use. So again, for same for the Eros now. But if we see, if we talk about Z5, you need to get the subscription, but it's decent for someone who likes multiple content, and it keeps actually track of what you are watching and recommend you about that. So but it is having some kind of algorithm problem, I guess, because it's showing me recently watched, but I haven't watched all these films they are which are coming under the recently watched category. So I guess it's just a beginning for OnePlus on the televisions, and they will update it and get some better interface. So coming back, if we go to like, I like the OnePlus Connect app, which makes thing really easy. So you get your basic apps, as you must be aware that it's not having Netflix as of now, but OnePlus has said that it will be coming soon. So I'm very satisfied with the sound without soundbar. Actually, it's pretty loud and clear compared with other televisions. So I'm not complaining that they haven't given us a soundbar for this one at 70,000, but they have also given the OnePlus tabletop stand. But I think this one looks really good on the wall mounted. If someone wants it, then it's available again at around 2,500 to 3,000 on Amazon, so you can get it over there.